Burpees are one of the most powerful fat-burning exercises. The technique of the exercise is to alternate change several positions with the proper technique. All the major muscles of the body are included in the work in this video. You'll learn what happens to your body if you do burpees every day. So watch the video till the end. It will be interesting. Let's go. Burpees are a functional exercise that combines elements of squats, planks, push, hips, and jumps. When performing the exercise, the muscles of the abdomen, legs, chest, and upper back receive a load. Burpees also develop endurance, strength, and coordination. Another benefit is the improved ability to synchronize movements. Burpees strengthen the cardiovascular system, increase the supply of oxygen to the organs, and improve muscle tone. And the ability to maintain correct posture. Burpee is an effective body, weight, strength exercise, and it doesn't require any additional equipment. But what muscles do burpees work? As already mentioned, burpee is an exercise with global impacts on the body. In fact, this exercise includes 4 elements: squats, plank, push, and jump. It combines the work of several muscle groups at once. The quads work both in flexion and extension. The biceps also work on extension and flex under their own weight, with the bacterial muscles, tail muscles, abs, back muscles, and shoulders work on the transfers, flex, and extension. In addition to the muscular core, burpees increase endurance, accelerate metabolism, and develop the cardiovascular system. Athletes involved in CrossFit have long appreciated the benefits and high efficiency of burpees. CrossFitters refer to the exercise as the Little Death because it's very energy intensive and requires a certain level of fitness. If you plan to include it in your workout, however, you can always make purpose easier by eliminating push-ups or jump up. In addition, burpees, super effective for weight loss. 20 repetitions of burpee burn about 15 kilocalories. Metabolism is accelerated. The body warms up very quickly from constant changes in positions. Also, burpees have a beneficial effect on the development of core muscles. These are the muscles that are located in the abdomen and lower back. They form the core necessary to maintain the balance of the human body. Burpees develop strength and speed qualities of an athlete, develop flexibility, improved coordination, balance, and endurance. The exposure and maintain back muscles in go shape. The indisputable advantage of the burpee is the ability to perform it anywhere without the presence of special sports equipment to perform the exercise on your own. You need to understand how to do burpee correctly. As with any exercise, the burpee technique is very important to get the most out of it. If you break burpee down in stages, then it consists of simple exercises. Therefore, in order to move on to burpee, you must learn the technique for performing exercises. The squats, plank, and push-ups can be used as a warm-up before performing the burpee to warm up the muscles. Make it a rule to always be well kneaded and warmed up before any physical activity. How to do burpees with proper technique: stand straight, feet shoulder width apart. This will be your starting position. Bend your knees. In a squat position, put your hands on the floor, transfer your body weight to your hands. Jump back with your feet so that you are in the plank position on straight arms. Do one push up and return to plank position. Jump your legs up to your arms and get into squat position, making a clap above your head. Make sure that each stage is done as correctly and fully as possible. Only in this, you'll get the full effect of the burpee. Be especially careful about including berries into your workouts. If you have knee and hip problems, chronic heart disease, overweight, pregnancy, and a 2 to 3 month postpartum period, make sure that you don't experience dizziness, nausea, and chest pain when performing. Stop exercising if these symptoms appear. If you feel good, try the burpee, which is deservedly called the king of exercise. By the way, friends, be sure to watch other videos on my channel. Links are on the screen right now. See you.